Hello, nice to meet you. I am Son Youngil, head of the Polymer Business Division at GS Caltex. GS Caltex operates its business based on an integrated value chain that links refining, petrochemicals, and polymers. Through this vertical integration, we can systematically manage everything from raw material procurement to production and quality control, providing customers with a stable supply and consistent quality. In particular, our Polymer division leverages GS Caltex's integrated production infrastructure to ensure supply stability and product reliability, while possessing the digital capabilities and high-level R&D functions to quickly identify and apply customer requirements to our operations. This is the core competitiveness we are most proud of.
Crude oil imported from overseas goes through the refining process to be separated into products such as naphtha, kerosene, and diesel. Among these, naphtha is supplied to the mixed feed cracker to produce olefins such as ethylene and propylene. Ethylene and propylene produced this way are used as raw materials and polymerized through chemical reactions to become powder, which is then extruded into rice-shaped final products, PE, PP pellets, and delivered to our customers.
PP is a common resin widely used in everyday items like plastic bags and packaging containers. Composite resin, on the other hand, is a resin that enhances performance by adding functional additives to that PP resin, and it is commonly used in automobiles and appliances.
The automated warehouse of the GS Caltex Yeosu Polymer production team refers to a system where automated equipment and software control the process from product receiving and storage to shipping with minimal human intervention. It is not just a space to stack products, but a core infrastructure of a smart logistics center that increases processing efficiency through real-time data integration. Currently, the automated warehouse has a total storage capacity of 47,472 cells, capable of storing approximately 28 days' worth of production volume. This allows for stable inventory operations and efficient logistics.
Most importantly, it ensures stability in the supply chain. While relying on external sources for raw materials can be affected by market volatility or supply disruptions, GS Caltex secures production continuity based on its own value chain. We currently have local bases in Milan, Italy, Karviná, Czech Republic, Tokyo, Japan, Langfang, and Suzhou, China, to cooperate closely with our major customers. In particular, the European and Japanese markets have high requirements in terms of quality, technical support, and supply stability. Our local bases serve as vital touchpoints that allow us to quickly identify and respond to these customer needs.
At Biesterfeld, we highly value our partnership with GS Caltex because they have proven to be a reliable and resilient partner, even in the most challenging market situations. During the COVID crisis and periods of geopolitical tension in the Middle East, GS Caltex continued to supply polymers consistently, demonstrating the strengths of the integrated crude-to-polymer setup.
GS カルテックスさんは日本のマーケットをよく理解してくださっていると感じております。というのも具体的にはポジティブリスト PL 認定という日本の認定ですね。こちらの取得にですね、多大なご協力をいただきまして。
In HD products, we didn't have the possibility to have a supplier to complete our portfolio because with our partners, HD products is very limited quantity, and with GS Caltex we will complete the portfolio of products.
With GS Caltex, there is an alignment of values, so to speak. So a lot of things that we hold dear, it seems that GS Caltex has those as core tenets as well. Long-term vision of the business, value in long-term product flows, not opportunistic, focused on the moment, reliability, trustworthy, a deal is a deal.
By securing information on trends and industrial changes in real time, we provide customized solutions and build long-term partnerships.
I am currently in charge of applying materials to home appliances. GS Caltex shares a wealth of experience in solving client needs by handling material development, production, and solution provision.
In particular, GS Caltex has established a comprehensive management system to systematically manage the entire process, from the supply of recycled raw materials to production and distribution, earning the first certification in Korea from Recyclass, a hub for certifying circular plastics.
I'm a recycling analyst in Recyclass, and I work with the Recycled Plastic Traceability Certification Scheme, a certification scheme that allows the actors of the supply chain, from converters, traders, brand owners, and so on, to certify the traceability of the material, the recycled content, and the origin of the waste. GS Caltex had the opportunity to achieve the certification with Recyclass for the recycling and the converting traceability of the use of recycled plastic, but this is a remarkable milestone from Recyclass' point of view, as being the first company to do this in Asia. With such a certificate, GS Caltex can demonstrate to the industry that loop applications from vehicle origin and later on applied from the brand owners can be achievable.
Moving forward, we plan to continuously upgrade our product portfolio, focusing on specialty products and eco-friendly materials. To this end, we are systematically analyzing data on the needs of existing and potential customers, as well as market changes, and are accelerating the development of customized solutions and new product launches based on our accumulated digital capabilities. The value pursued by the GS Caltex Polymer Business Division is to standing strong with our customers. Based on a stable production structure and global network spanning from crude oil to polymers, and leveraging our customized digital capabilities, we aim to help our clients' businesses grow sustainably. If you are looking for a reliable supply partner you can trust for a long time, we hope to be the starting point for solving that concern. Beyond being a simple material supplier, we will become a trusted partner that builds growth and future value together with our customers. Thank you.